The memory I'm talking to you about right now is like stuck in amber. And I'm actually not sure how much of what I'm about to say is true.
We ended up sitting out the front of DeLuxe, Miro, Barney, Dale and myself.
I think it was Dale who said, why can't we just call it good beer? What we knew about it. Oh, hey, come to Melbourne, like check out all this stuff that's so hidden. And the really strong thing was like, oh, it's way bigger than I thought it was.
So I was never approached to be part of Good Beer Week. I was on the phone to Karen Golding talking about running a regional beer festival. And then she told me, oh, have you heard of Good Beer Week? I'm like, what are you talking about? I need to know. Got off the phone from Karen, called the boys and said, I don't know what you're planning, but I want to be part of it.
It was a bit of a blur, yeah. It was just a whirlwind. We were one of the more popular venues at the time and I guess more centred to anything.
There was something in the air that week. That's what turned Good Beer Week into what it was.
As someone that was kind of doing this as a hobby and really new to it, you felt welcome into the beer world.
The 5 of us who've been involved in getting it off the ground, just really kind of like, this is something.
It's been crazy, and as I said, that first program probably, I think we had less than 50 events, growing from that to 300.
With this year, I'm so excited just to get out with people, but just embrace everything about the whole week.
In Good Beer Week's 10th running, it is a chance to really get out and celebrate and sort of rediscover all the good stuff that's going on.